Our call center in Austin, Texas is the central hub, where hundreds of calls are made every day to help companies recoup their initial investment on their equipment. HGR callers will reach out to help businesses offload equipment they no longer need and help you find the best solution for your needs. Your dedicated HGR buyer will come to your business, inspect your surplus, and make an offer. We provide payment within 24 hours of the accepted offer. We will even transport the equipment to our warehouse for you, making it easier than ever to sell your surplus. HGR also offers to clear out your facility or warehouse space through our Decommissioning Services. We'll work with your timeline to create a broom-ready facility while purchasing your used surplus. You don't have to wait for one of our callers to reach out. Contact an HGR buyer in your region to get started. Visit our website at www.hgrinc.com to learn more, or call us at 216-486-4567. HGR is your source for industrial surplus.